guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this wig. So I'm going to put it in 3 different styles. That's why I've left this hair out. So let me show you the first style, which is the simplest style. It's just a normal kinky 4C hair, and then it has a 1x13 frontal. So this is how it looks. Like that. You can put a cut on the side, just like that, to create that parting on the side. So this is how, but if you want, you can glue it down, but you can also just wear it like this without gluing it down. Very simple, and then it looks so natural because of the 4C kinky texture. Like that. So the second style, you can just leave out your hair like that, the front part of your hair. And then it has combs, so I'm going to put it like that. Like that. I'm inserting the combs in my hair just to make it more secure. And then I blend it with your hair just like that. So the next step that I'm going to do is to trim this hair to make it shorter so that it can be just a different style. I'm going to put it on a dummy and just make it shorter. Trim it to the length that I want.
be that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? And before too long, I found where I belong. I can hear it, I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, to start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They say, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, to start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this beautiful wig. So just comment down below if you love the color and if you love the style. There are two different colors, so just comment down below if you love the style and if you love the colors. And then also if you're interested in any of my wigs or these ones, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. They're very light and also beginner friendly. So this is how it looks on the sides, like this. So if you wear it right, this is how it's going to be. If you wear it like the right side, this is how it's going to be, like this. The corners are going to face forward like that. But then if you wear the other way around, it's going to be like this. So the braids are going to face down and they're going to be like here, there, and this other side is going to be there. So like it's like a two-in-one style.